Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome back Sandy Home Recipe. Say the can out share my video. Remember to subscribe. We just a assorted meat and fish lice soup. Yes, started. What the carrots, onion, pepper, begu saucepan, udin swaka hon. With a coasty jar soy de anwa. E bin pen na watwe, what's on so in soon. Now they go at their bed brandy room. Udin so kakra de aka hon. Na wa blend it in together. We are not the sin chain. Na ya buy a beef no. What the chop onion ebegum. Blended onion, garlic, ginger, anise. Beef seasoning. All pepper seasoning. Salt to taste. Tomato puree. What the water kakra de aka hon. One mixing in there together. Wakata so na de akosi jaso ama na sima. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Aha now the fish na de aka hon. One mixing in there together no cause we jesi so. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Oriana fish the better na we ye esi in chain. Aka krama and kwine na beno. Now the ending egum. Odo carrot mixture na de egum. What the water egum. Water ni jina and kwando dry we den. Oh yeah. We are now okro, eggplant, pepper. Now the egum for garnishing. We just su consider me eden e beping. By 10 be our one watch check eden. Ashwe. Aka krama and kwina now the fish now the sin chen with the egum. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aha no aye ready na watwe na waserve wonya ofufo betimi de aka ho eden edi adwan bia episode betimi de eden edi mepema twese ndi kan a ohwe me video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say me the video bia beto wa won sabeka me ye we na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our assorted meat and fish lice soup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.